Is that a wood chipper or a vacuum? Here's some machine of some sort. And of course it's winding down, whatever it is. That's a wood chipper. And that's from City, Philadelphia. Wait, what is that thing? Oh, there's actually two of them. There's an M2 Freightliner and whatever this Salt one is right here. Ford Super Duty Salter, City, Philadelphia dump truck. 2007. So they're picking up loose branches. Here's this 2007 International Post. Oh yeah, start it back up, yeah. That's like an old wood chipper on there too. Let's go check out the M2 Freightliner. Another Ford Super Duty. That's 2016, so this one is old, but not that old. Well, that's awesome. Two old trucks with two old wood chippers. I mean, the 2016 is old, but it's not as old as the 2007. It's a shame if they can keep the old, they can keep old chassis to other stuff. It's a shame that they can't keep it with the trash trucks. There is still some City, Philadelphia International McNeil's 2012s that still roam around.